These are of Serenco Impact's products. This one is pig shaped lamp, then eagle shape, and then fish shape, and last but not the least, here is eagle shaped sword lamp. These beautifully carved Himalayan sword lamps provide the therapeutic soft lighting for your room or any other place of your house or office. If you see this pig-shaped sword lamp, the structure and excellency of the art can be seen in it. If you see the body, the shape and the structure of this is exactly, it looks like an animal shaped lamp. It is my favorite lamp, in fact you can say. If we move towards the next lamp, this is the eagle shaped lamp. The detailing is done wonderfully, looks exactly like eagle, and the structure, the body, it is exactly looking like an eagle if you saw it in real life. And the eyes and the face cut is done so amazingly. We can say that it is done with lots of labor work. Then we are moving towards the next most beautiful fish shaped lamp. It is quite difficult, I can say, to make such shapes and cuts to enhance the shape of the exact animal, but it is done so perfectly. This product directly comes from Pakistan, and a perfect complete shape of fish crystal salt lamp, we can say, and there is no doubt in it if you are looking this carefully. And it is secured with the wood, which is wonderful handcrafted lamp. Okay, so this is done so amazingly, I can say. The next, we are moving towards the next piece. The next piece is angel shaped sword lamp, hand extracted from Kera salt mine, outer range of Himalayan mountains, and this amazingly carved Himalayan angel sword provides a therapeutic soft lighting below, and this is wonderfully based on wood, which allows for placement. If you really want, buy these wonderful animal shaped lamps made with natural Himalayan crystal salt, which is product of Pakistan, available in all these shapes. You can order for customized shape as well. For order any other information, simply go to our website www.serencoimpact.com and order your favorite animal shaped lamps from us.